Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin immediately. Equip the silenced weapon, stun device, and one medkit, and confirm a 2+ player setup so roles are split. Move from the eastern entrance and stick to cover. You need to reach the first choke point without drawing the patrol. Once done, use the teammate to create a short diversion while you clear line of sight. Make sure to keep noise low and track enemy timers so you arrive at the keychain area on a predictable window. You now enter the complex phase. Disable cameras and alarms first so spawns won't alert the whole map. Move clockwise, clearing 2 adjacent rooms. Stun, then sweep quickly so you limit exposure. Once the central cabinet is visible, pause to check flanks and coordinate a 3-5 second pickup window with your teammates suppressing doors. Keep your crosshair at chest height and be ready to toggle sprint. This reduces misfires and ensures you grab the keychain cleanly while keeping an escape path pre-planned. You complete the run by grabbing the keychain and immediately moving toward the extraction route you scouted earlier, avoiding main corridors where backups converge. Once en route, deploy smoke or a door barricade for 7 to 10 seconds to block sightlines and buy safe distance. If something goes wrong, hostiles overwhelm you or the keychain drops, do not chase. Fall back to the safe room, wait roughly 30 seconds for respawns to reset, then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.